So for today's leak, we've got a water fountain here in the middle of the driveway, and we've got water lines running to it. The one with the red valve is what keeps the fountain full. The other one, I'm assuming, is a sprinkler line. But if you look at it, you can see how everything's out of whack. Nothing is nice and square. So it put a lot of pressure on that T there and cracked that T, and now it's leaking. So we're gonna have to find a way to get this cut out and fixed. So there we go, it's all fixed up. As you can see, the original one was all in a bind. Now we've used some 90s and we've got everything nice and square, so none of those fittings are under constant pressure like that. Should be good to go.